Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Cash App payment failed. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is just head over to your Cash App, and once you're inside your Cash App, what you need to do is tap on the watch icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you'll be sent to activity. If you have any failed transactions, it will be displayed right here. All you gotta do is just simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, if you have any failed payments or transaction, it will be displayed right here. All you gotta do is tap on it, and once you tap on it here, all you gotta do now is just simply click on the accept transaction button or decline request as per your preference. And once you do that, what you can also do is simply contact your customer support and then tell them about your problem, and they'll fix it for you as well. Remember to keep in mind the things that will lead to Cash App payment failure are like insufficient funds in your linked account, card or bank restrictions, expired or invalid debit card, network or server issues, daily or weekly limits, verification issues, suspicious activity, app version outdated, internet connection issues. So be sure to check these reasons before you do it. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.